Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with another 99-cent only store. I had gone to a couple yesterday after work because I was still looking for some certain things and I found them, which I'm so excited. And then I also picked up some additional items that I had found that I had really liked. But you're gonna want to watch this whole video. Trust me, just trust me when I tell you that. Okay, so let's get started. So I found these, which I hadn't seen it the first time. So look how pretty those are. The spiders and the rings. So you can just cut the ring part off and then like stick these on a project. So I got two of the purple and then I found a red pack. So I got those. And then I got more of this confetti because I just thought it was so cute. And I got another pack of these little felt stickers with the little cats and bats and pumpkins. I wish they would have put like a little white ghost in there. That would have been so adorable. I got more of the flies. You guys, oh my gosh, funny story. So I was searching for more of the flies and I had pulled like a big chunk of packages off of the, off of the holder. And I was going through them and they were all mixed in. Like they had centipedes and scorpions and flies and spiders and blah, 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 blah. And I don't know why, like there was this pack of like big old spiders and it caught me off guard and I like dropped it on the ground. And one guy, he saw me, he just looked at me like, what the heck are you doing, lady? It was so funny. So anyway, I want to give you a sneak peek of what I started doing with the flies. So I want to try to do Pastel-Halloween this year. I'm going to do both traditional and Pastel-Halloween. So I started like decorating the flies already. What do you guys think? I also did pink and purple. I did a Instagram reel today where I showed it. So I don't know when this video is gonna go up, like probably like in another week or so, but anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I got more of these. I absolutely love these. I think these will be so cute to like layer on embellishments and also just other Halloween projects. Plus they're just super cute. You can put it on your table for Halloween, for decor. And I'll show you what they look like because I have a pack of them open here. So they have witches hats, and I love that they have like the holo silver, and then there's stars, and there's several moons. Let me see, what do we got, like 4 moons I think. So here's the moons, here's what they look like. Then there's skulls, so you can see that's what those look like. And then spider webs. So yeah, those are really fun. I love those. I think I've got like 4 packs now, so I'm super excited to have those. Then I got these adorable bags. Oh my gosh, these bags are so cute. They're just little treat bags. They're part of like the Fiesta collection, which is like the Day of the Dead collection. They had like 2 different collections for Halloween at the 99-cent only store, so got those. And then this was also in that section, these super cute necklaces, and they come in these pretty metallic colors, and you can see they have skulls and bones on them. So I thought those were cute. And I also got this super adorable, excuse me, this is super adorable spider web tray. Look how pretty that is. It's like got that iridescent coating. And this one was $1.99. Then I got this dish. It's like a chips and dip dish. And these came in different colors. I want to say they came in like pink, purple, green, and orange maybe. But I don't know, I was really into the purple this year. I just thought it was so pretty. So this would be fun. Like when you're doing your Halloween embellishments, like you put all your little things on here that you think you're gonna use or gonna work with, and then like have all your little confettis on there and all your little ephemeras and stuff, and then everything's like on a festive dish. I don't know, am I a nerd? So I got that. Excuse me, let me move this off to the side. And let's see, there's another bag over here. Okay, what do we have in this bag? Oh, okay, and I got this super cute, like, velour pumpkin. It's got like a piece of lint on it. But how much were they? I think these ones were only $1. Yeah, I think these ones were only $1. Can you believe that? Such a good deal. And it's got like the raffia. So pretty. And I found the flies in those colors. And I got these 2 signs. So it's like a palm reading sign, gypsy fortune telling. So I thought that was a fun decor sign. And then this one. Oops, I just knocked over a cup of glitter. Thank goodness it didn't spill. Oh my gosh, you guys should see my table. And then look at this cute tray, you guys. I also thought this would be cute to like put your little, I mean, of course you could use it for other things for decor in your house, but I was thinking like in the craft room, like putting stuff on it, like when you're sitting down doing your embellishments or whatever, like put all your little decorating bits on it. And I got this lamp, and I have something that I'm gonna try. If it works, you're gonna see it. If it doesn't work, you're not gonna see it. I am definitely not using it for a lamp. I think that was $1.99. Yeah, $1.99. And oh, you guys, oh my gosh, I found the cutest thing today. I had to send Christian's Crafty Adventures, I had to send her a direct message on Instagram because I totally thought of her when I found these. But look at these adorable Sugar Skull erasers. So I messaged her, I'm like, did you see these? If you didn't see them or you can't find them, I'll send you some. So I got extra of them, but aren't those so cute, you guys? And I love these, but you know what? You would have thought, well, at least at my store, you would have thought they would have been with like the Fiesta collection, but they weren't. They were with the regular ones. So anyway, I found a better pack of the orange spiders. I showed you guys these before, and like the spiders that I got like kind of had like big chunks of the glitter off. So I found a better pack of those. And I got these cool skeleton lights, you guys, and I already put batteries in them so I could show them to you. So let me open them. So it's a string of like translucent skeletons, and here's what they look like when they light up. So I thought that was so cool, and these were $2.99. Let me turn them off so you can see like what they look like. But they're just so fun. Excuse me. Okay, so here's one of the things that I was looking for that I found, and I was so happy. So I was looking for the tulle that had the spider webs on it, because when I saw it in other people's videos, I noticed that this one was much more vibrant than the one at the Dollar Tree. Let me grab the one at the Dollar Tree and we'll compare them. So here's two of the Dollar Tree ones. Yeah. So like, okay, so here's the Dollar Tree purple versus the 99-cent only purple. I mean, I like them both. And then here's the Dollar Tree orange versus the 99-cent only store orange. And then I didn't see a gold one at the 99-cent only store. I only saw a silver. So there's those. And let me put these away. Okay. Then I found these, you guys. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Let me move some of this stuff so you guys can see. But look at this. Look at this adorable garland, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So love that. And those were $1.99. I'm gonna take a drink of coffee, hold on. And you guys, I found the creepy cloths. I'm so happy. I was looking for these. So I found it, I think it only came in 3 colors. So I found it in like the bone color, the black, and the gray. Oh, and look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This was in the Fiesta section. Look at this little dish. I had to have it. I had to have this little cat. It's so cute. Then I found a velour pumpkin in orange. And I found another garland, and this one says fall. And I found this super adorable sign. It's a barn. Let me move this. It's a barn and it says fall. Isn't that so cute? How much was this? $1.99. And now for the exciting bag, you guys. Let me move this stuff out of the way because I think you're gonna love this bag. Seriously. In this bag is a giveaway, and there's going to be 3 winners. So each person is going to receive one of everything in this bag. So how do you enter this giveaway? First and foremost, you need to be a subscriber on my channel. That's obvious. I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what are your favorite kind of videos that I do, and what types of videos would you like to see me do. That's it. That's all you have to do. If you do those 2 things, I know you want to be entered. So this video is probably gonna go up in a week. So I'm gonna give people, I think I'm gonna give people 2 weeks, because I know like people are not looking at you, not really looking or searching for like a lot of Halloween stuff right now because their mind's probably not there. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna announce the winner on August 30th. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, so, whoa, this is gonna fall over. I'm telling you guys, this bag is stuffed. It's stuffed full. The reason why I chose to do this giveaway was because so many people in my comments were like, oh my gosh, that stuff is so cute and I don't have that store near me. So yeah, this giveaway is gonna be open for everybody, but I kind of secretly hope somebody that doesn't have a 99-cent only store near them wins it. Is that bad, guys? Okay, but either way, whoever wins, I'm gonna be happy. Okay, so each one of, like I said, 3 winners. Each person is going to receive one of these super cute trays. I tried to keep everything so that I could fit it in a flat envelope, in a very, very large flat envelope. So you're gonna get one of those trays. You know what, let me just put this tray down. Okay. Then each person is going to get one of these. I mean, you're not all getting the same one, but you're each going to get one. So one person's going to get the Welcome Fall. So cute, right? The other person is going to get the Welcome one. And then the third person's going to get this super cute pumpkin with the maple leaf. And then one person's going to get this bag here, and it's just gonna be random what you get. You're all gonna get one of everything, but like you might not all, you're all not gonna get the same one of these, but you're all gonna get one. It's just not gonna be the same one, if that makes sense. Same things goes for these bags. So I've got one of these cute little bags, and then there's 2 of these. And they say Happy Halloween, and they have like little bats and skulls and stars. Then each person is going to get one of these cupcake kits right here. And each person is going to get some of the Hello Fall confetti. So this is a Halloween and fall giveaway, guys. So it's got both types of items in it. And, whoa, sorry guys. Sorry. I'm just trying to throw those over there and I missed. Each person is going to get a bag of the cute Sugar Skull erasers. So there's those. Each person is going to receive one of the purple spiderweb tools, or mesh ribbon it's called. And each person will receive some of these cute felt stickers. And each person will receive some of the Hello Fall table scatter. And then each person is going to receive one of these sequin spiders. And each person is going to receive one of these cute confettis. Each person is going to get some of the purple spiders, purple spider rings. Each person is going to get a pack of these cute necklaces. Each person will get a pack of confetti. And finally, each person will receive one of the fall tools, and this one's in that pretty like burnt red color with the glitter. So guys, that's the giveaway. I'm so excited to give this away. So like I said, the only thing I want to know down below, just leave a comment answering those two questions. What are your favorite types of videos that I make? And then what kind of videos would you like to see me make that I don't already make? And then that way, if you answer those two questions, I know that you would like to be entered. And like I said, I'm gonna draw the 3 winners on August 30th. And when I do that, I'll tell you what to do, like, you know, where to contact me and send me your address and all that good stuff. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate all of you. I wish I could send all of you guys a package. I love you all so much. I love reading your comments. I love talking to you. I love it when you guys send me emails and message me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm just super thankful for you. And I love this channel and I love you guys. And thank you so much. Good luck, everybody. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.